Jai Hind friends, good evening. Welcome to hybrid digital coaching and Young Minds Club. So let's continue from where we left yesterday, right? Yesterday we were looking at the organization structure, right? So yesterday I was explaining what are all the organizational elements in, yeah. So we have seen theoretically yesterday. Today let us see theoretical plus practical. Yeah, I will walk through into the system how the company code and the organizational elements can be defined in SAP system, right? I will show you that as well. So let's start on the topic. Okay, so this is the company code is the highest hierarchy in the SAP MM organization level. It is an MM organizational unit which is a legal entity in the organizational structure. Yeah. So when we are talking about the legal structure, it has some fundamental and crucial element. This is a fundamental and crucial element, particularly within the financial accounting module. Okay. It represents the smallest organizational unit for which a complete self-contained set of accounts can be created for external reporting purposes. So here, why we are talking about since it is the part of a financial accounting module, why we are discussing about this company code over here? Because our other organizational elements like plant and the storage location, like plant for particularly for plant, the plants are under company code. It comes under company code, and the plants are assigned to the company code. Okay, so you can have n number of plants created for a single company code. So we will see what are the key characteristics and definitions of this company code. Okay, the number one and first thing is that this is a legally independent unit. The company code is a legally independent unit where the transactions are being accounted for, right? And this is the smallest unit for external accounting. For external accounting purpose, company code is the smallest unit. So it is the lowest level at which you can generate a full set of financial statements. Okay, and it is also a central to financial accounting. It is a company code is a central for the financial accounting, and this has also a mandatory for FI implementation. When any organization implements SAP projects, in those this company code creation is a mandatory thing because it is functioning as a legal entity where all the transactions of that particular company code or that particular enterprises is accounted for, and it is later reported for in from time to time. Yeah, and this is a four characteristic alphanumeric code, company code in SAP system. It is a four characteristic alphanumeric key. Okay, so each company code will be identified by a unique key here. Okay, and this is an independent set of books. In company code, you can see there is a chart of accounts available in company codes. So these all are, comes under the financial module, but still I wanted to give you a overview of company code, how it works. Otherwise, you may not be understanding properly. Yeah. This company code is have a set of his own set of his books. Books in the sense the general ledger accounts. Yeah. And it is have a local currency. The currency is being local currency, and this element is assigned to the chart of accounts. As I said earlier, the company code will be having a chart of account, and the company code will be assigned to the chart of accounts in which the what is chart of account here? The group of account numbers grouped together is called chart of account. Okay, so assignment to a fiscal year variant. This company code is also assigned with a fiscal year variant. So that we will see when you will be learning about financial accounting. But here I am giving you an overview where the financial fiscal year variant is getting created in SAP system, which will be helpful in properly working throughout the year, calendar year or the fiscal year, whatever it is, right? The transactions will take place on the date basis. So it will be having other master data and the address data. So that is the key elements, key features of this company code. So now what is the purpose? What is the purpose and importance? Let us look at the what is the purpose and importance. Statutory reporting, it is used for the primary purpose of the company code is to enable the creation of legal financial statements, separate financial monitoring. It is allowing the separate financial monitoring, how much money this company code has been budgeted and how much money it was spent, or how much money it was it got the revenue. So all these things can be monitored separately. So internal reporting purpose also, it can be used for internal company code reporting as from the company code level. And this is the foundation for other modules as well. It is not only the foundation for MM module, it is the foundation for all other modules as well. Because what happens is, in enterprise structure, without enterprises, the departments will not cannot be formed, right? In the same way, without company code, you cannot form the other modules elements. There are so many things here. In MM module, we are having plant storage locations. In WM, we are having warehouse and storage types. In sales and distribution modules, we are having sales organization. We are having again we are having plant and other sales officers. So all these things are falling under company code only. So here in material management, we are having plants are assigned to company codes, okay? And human resources also, the personal areas can be linked to company codes for payroll and HR accounting, HR reporting, and tax reporting as well, okay? So integration with other organizational units as well. This company code also integrates with other organizational units. For example, client, it is interacting with the client, and again there will be a controlling area, plant, and purchasing organization. These all things, we are having the other organizational units. Company code is having a relationship. Okay, fine, guys. Now you would have understand that what is company code is all about. And now let us get into the SAP system and see how the company code is getting defined and assigned, right? Yeah, just give me a minute. Let me go to the SAP system over here. Yeah. So here we go. We are in the SAP system now. Yeah. So when we come in here, we should put the transaction code called SPRO. SPRO. This is the transaction code where we can go to from SPRO. We can go to the customization area. Under SPRO, you see here the SAP reference IMG. Yeah. This is nothing but the SAP's reference implementation guide. IMG is nothing but the implementation guide. Yeah. So click on that. So you will be taking to the next screen. Under the next screen, you will find here the enterprise structure, right? Enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure, you are having definitions. So under definitions, you are having financial accounting, right? So under financial accounting, you can see here edit, copy, delete, check company code. So edit, copy, delete, check company code. If you click on this, then we can able to copy the existing company code and create a company code. Okay. So this practical session, how to create and all, I will be covering in the next module, in the upcoming videos. Please look out for that. But here we will let us see, there is a already there is a company code has been created. Let us have a look at that. Yeah, edit company code data. I'm not going to the create company code here. Earlier I have already created company code called this name. Let us see whether it is available or not. Yeah, it's available. Yeah, we have seen here, we have already created a company code over here. Let us have the data of that company code here. Yeah, this is copy button. So when the company code is created, after creating the company code, it needs to be assigned to some company, right? It needs to be assigned to the company, which is the above company code, right? So for that, we should go back to here, to the enterprise structure, and you can see here assignment. So here you will be assigning, yeah, financial accounting. Under assignments, go to financial accounting. Under that, assign company code to company. Yeah. So we are having here company code to company. You can see here which company this has been assigned. Let me find where is our company code. SHAN, right? Yeah, this company is assigned. This company code is assigned to, again, this company. So this company also has already been created. So we don't need to worry about that. This is the company code, right? I hope you have understood how in system we can navigate through to define the company code and assign the company code, right? So we will see that in next coming videos we can see about the other organizational units, how it works and how it defined, right? What are all the key benefits or what are all the key characteristics of a plant and all we will see in the next video. That's all, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful time. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.